So we're going to show you how to set up the Amulet Testnet. The Amulet Testnet is going to let you use all of Amulet's functionality without having to spend real Ether. This way we can get feedback from our users before launching this live. So first thing you want to do is go up to Reputation and click Predictions. Now the first thing you're going to see is a tutorial that explains how this whole concept works. After you finish watching this tutorial, click Participate. Now you're going to see 4 steps that are going to explain how to get started using the Amulet Testnet. We're going to complete all 4 and it's going to take less than 5 minutes. So if you're on a desktop computer, you want to install the MetaMask browser extension. The MetaMask browser extension is available for both Chrome and Firefox. If you're on mobile, you'll want to install the Cypher mobile app, which is available for both iOS and Android. So because we're on desktop right now and using Chrome, when we click install, we're going to be taken to the installation for the Chrome extension. After adding the extension, you may need to wait a couple of seconds for it to load. So after you install the MetaMask extension, you're going to need to agree to the terms of service. You'll need to create a password to encrypt your keys. So after you install MetaMask, go back to the Amulet Platform tab. And you'll need to refresh the browser. Now for the second step is we want to connect the MetaMask browser extension to the Ethereum test network called RinkyB. The Ethereum test network is going to let you use Amulet's functionality without spending real Ether. You'll see a quick tutorial explaining how to switch MetaMask from the main network to the RinkyB test network. So we're going to click the MetaMask icon, and at the top we're going to click main network, and we're going to switch that to the RinkyB test network. The browser should automatically refresh. So now that you're pointing to the Ethereum test network, for the third step, you'll need to get some test Ethereum. So first, you want to copy your Ethereum address that we've put in the box for you. Then you want to create a public post on Twitter or Facebook with this Ethereum address. For this example, we're going to create a public Twitter post. We've copied our Ethereum address into our clipboard. We're going to go to Twitter. And we're going to create a tweet with the Ethereum address that we've just copied. Now we're going to copy a link to that tweet that we just created. We're going to go back to the Amulet tab. And for step 3, we're going to click on the faucet link. The RinkyB faucet is going to let you get test Ethereum. After the faucet link opens, we're going to paste the tweet that we just created, select 7.5 Amulet per day, you'll see a green pop-up indicating success and that your test Ether is on the way. We press done, and now we have to wait a few minutes for our test Ether to appear in our account. Wait a minute or two and then click refresh. If after a few minutes you don't see anything, just refresh your browser. Great, our balance appeared. So for the final step is we need to exchange our test ether for test Amulet tokens. The test Amulet tokens is what's going to let you use all of Amulet's functionality. You type in how much test Amulet tokens you'd like to get. I recommend typing in 1,000. Now when you submit, MetaMask will open up a pop-up window asking you to confirm your transaction to the blockchain. This transaction is only using test ether. Click Submit to confirm the transaction. And at the bottom right corner of the screen, you should see the status of your transaction. Finally, we need to enable MetaMask to recognize test Amulet tokens. So copy the test Amulet contract address from the box, open MetaMask, go to the Tokens tab, click Add Token, and paste the test Amulet contract address that you just copied. The token symbol and decimals fields should pre-fill automatically. Click Add, and your test Amulet balance will now be recognized in MetaMask. Now you're all done. You're ready to use the Amulet Testnet. Click Browse Questions to finish.